Okay, this is another experiment for recording while I'm riding my bike. I'm just sticking you in my shirt pocket and see how that turns out. It's probably not going to be good video quality either, but here goes nothing. I know this video will be in a vertical format rather than landscape. But I'm just interested in seeing how it turns out. I'm going to try my best to find a good phone holder so I can mount my phone on here and record. This holder I was trying to use yesterday, the mount itself will work with the two El Cheapo action cameras I've got, but I need to learn to edit video, and I've been lazy about that. I've been so lazy about it that I haven't even picked out a video editor and downloaded it yet. I definitely going to be editing video until I get some video editing software. Here. Right now. The microphone's in my shirt pocket. It might be a little rough, but maybe that will stop the air. The season is ending already. April 15th is into the winter season. Well, I ended up leaving camp. This is the main road in and out. This goes by the new dump stations and water stations that they built last year, but still haven't opened yet. As far as I've been able to see, they haven't touched them as far as working on them any this year. My understanding is that the company that they contracted to build them didn't put a powerful enough pump in the well they drilled for the water stations, and they don't have enough water pressure to get water to the fill stations and to the clean out hoses for the dump station. Now that may be wrong, but that's just what I have been told. I've been told that they are fighting the company in court because they didn't put in the proper equipment. Way over there, you can see our camp on the other side of the wash. Right at the end. And I was told the wind today has been. Even though the sun's popping off, that wind will absolutely freeze you. Back to the main road is the our camp and Goldie's camp. Lori is in the process of packing all her stuff up, getting ready to move. She has a lot to pack up. Hey. Are you packed yet?
Funny. I'm getting some work done today, but
I decided to try another way to video while I'm riding.
how's that?
I don't like the vertical format, but I figured that might help stop some of the vibration. And I tried this camera mount or phone mount yesterday. I made it just past the outhouse and the phone hit the ground. It just don't hold it tight enough.
Right.
The mount on the bike works good. Just the phone holder I got on it don't hold tight enough. And that's the only one I have that uses just a regular screw-on camera mount. And I've got that one and the other one that, which the other one won't screw on, but it wouldn't hold tight enough on the handlebars. It held the phone good, but the whole mount dropped down. Yeah, I want to cut this off.